Chief in Command of United Minority Liberation Army, a part of KNO under SOO, affirms talks are underway with central government for Kuki Territorial Council. CPI Manipur State Council questions why arrested Praja member was not released, along with arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. BJP Manipur Pradesh credits restoration of normalcy in Manipur University to MU community and 6 joint students' bodies. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assures of witnessing massive development if BJP gets at least 10 years to rule the state. Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra appeals to approach Agriculture Department whenever farmers face any problem right from sowing till harvest of crops. And Panthoy Biratpa and Durga Puja celebrations are in full swing. Devotees seek blessings of Hyangthang Lairinbi today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Chief in Command of United Minority Liberation Army, UMLA, a part of Kuki National Organization, KNO under suspension of operation with the government, K. Kaling has stated that talks with the centre are underway for a Kuki Territorial Council. He was speaking to media at the sidelines of the 13th Raising Day observance of UMLA at its designated camp, 1st Battalion Kuki Army Harmond in Chele village of Technopol district today. He said Kuki Liberation Army's earlier demand for a separate Kuki state was withdrawn after an in-depth discussions with the Indian government and instead decided to demand for a Kuki Territorial Council for safeguarding the land, culture, customs and identity of Kukis without posing any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur. K. Kaling also stated that the Kuki Territorial Council will encompass major Kuki inhabited areas like Chandal, Tengnopal, Kangpokpi, Churachandpur districts and many areas of Ukhrul districts. Leaders of various villages in Chandal and Tengnopal districts and leaders of civil society organizations and students' organizations attended the observance. Cultural performances and gun salutes to the deceased goddess of the group highlighted the event.
Direction की मतों in आने कोई state होने तालम में अदु state की यार है अदु under रमरेला of central government state government अदु territorial दी होने वारी साफ दी होने DC की का अदु होजिफाव दी जब चाप दी ले हमरे territorial ला दे कोई Kuki territorial council तुम ला एक होने control तो गया है बान अदु under the central government and state government. Chief right the late, if chief right the bata late, me the only ons no lamdi on the
UCM is holding a mass rally titled Miyamgi Maira on October 31st to take a stand against Indo-Naga Framework Agreement. Speaking to media at UCM office at Lamphel today, UCM President Sunil Karam alleged the Indian government of playing with the sentiments of different communities of Manipur. He added that interlocutor R.N. Ravi's statement and Parliamentary Standing Committee's report have brought unrest to the people of the state. He said that a mass rally is being organized to take a common stand against any threat to the territorial integrity of Manipur. Apparently, all the political parties in Manipur have extended solidarity to the cause and they will hold a joint meeting at Manipur Press Club tomorrow on the matter. The mass rally will start from Tidim Ground and pass through Kaishampa to Waheng Laikai, Thangmaiban and finally conclude at ISBT Kuman Lampak, where a public meeting will be conveyed.
hayeng tang taraga nipan pung taraga mathoi Manipur Press Club ta only political party punamaki oiba aikoi October Mass rally ase masi punna saruk yaminagadabani amadi punna Manipur ga punbagi sakta ngapgina na honaba matamda aikoi hayeng mi pham sida aikoi apunba mi pham ma launa widamta United Committee Manipur na mayam unabagi adumba sinjabani hairiba sinjabasigi manungda political parties punamakta appeal tawjaning se karigumba invitation chitha nandauba yawiragasu karigumba aikoigi laibiriba Manipur da laibiriba political parties punamagna saruk yabiu haibasi maga an mamakta da aikoi appeal tawjali Manipur da lairiba aikoi masenli maraksida tongan ba furup amakaki interest yang akanda aikoi na thabak natraga karigumba activities paikhatpada aikoi punamaki apunbagi interest natraga di Manipur ngakpa ngamaro haibase aikoi furup punamaktasu aikoi appeal tawjaningi.
CPI Manipur State Council urged relevant authorities not to appoint anyone having connections with BJP and RSS as the next Vice Chancellor of Manipur University so as to avoid any unwanted eventuality. The party also questioned why a Praja member was not released when the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University were released yesterday. Speaking to media at Irabad Bhavan today, Secretariat member of CPI Manipur State Council L. Sotin Kumar condemned the police raids carried out in Manipur University and also condemned the handcuffing incident of a jailed professor in connection with MU crisis. On the other hand, Sotin Kumar demanded the relevant authorities to put an end to the 7-month halt on distribution of rice under NFSA in some places of the state. He also appealed to make rice available at NFSA rate in the event of scarcity of rice due to drought or inclement weather conditions in the state. Meanwhile, CPI Manipur State Council extends solidarity to the mass rally organized by UCM on October 31st.
Anabu oja amabu hospital da pumatamda makutta hatkora chalaga hospital da pubase masi yam tawaidaba oja amade yam tamthinaba sajachatpa aduma fascist ki sarkar amagi mawongda amade dictator ki sason ki mawongda adugo loinana yam tuguchaba makhan gi aduma sajat sakhiba aduma thong kya singase ningthina inquiry ma tawduna madugi matakta conviction kya lokatpagi tangai phadaba lei hai se communist party na fawe bharot leingakna amadi state ki sarkar asina makhan kaya gi khudong thiba kaya ama mayok na dana ikhoi iramdam Manipur gi apun gi saktam ase masi kai gragadra haibagi yamna mi painari ba sugma tanja asida apun gi saktam ngak nab gi damakta UCM na kaureiba sugma mass release se masi khwaidagi matam chaba adugo loina na tawdaba yadaba mani haibise khoi communist party na chapchana phause.
BJP Manipur Pradesh has attributed the restoration of normalcy in Manipur University to the sincere efforts of MU community and the 6 joint students' bodies. The party also lauded Chief Minister and Biren for his efforts in bringing normalcy in the university. Addressing media and in the temporary office of BJP Manipur Pradesh in Kanchipur today, spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh Chongtham Bijoy asserted that the order issued by the Union HRD Minister to send officials from the centre on October 22nd to collect audit report of Manipur University since 2005 is for the welfare of the public. He reiterated that Manipur University will get a positive image once auditing is conducted. On the other hand, Chongtham Bijoy questioned Congress party on what basis it has claimed victory over the High Court's judgment in connection with Manipur University crisis. He said the court's judgment is neutral one and taken for the welfare of the public. He credited the court's judgment as victory for the people of Manipur. The BJP spokesperson said even though the Congress party terms the present government a dictatorship one, the present government, unlike the previous government, is a true democratic government.
Among government the Kazitang Tarawa Yum the police therapy, Dub therapy, fake encounter cases, Mayam Toki. Akwiki governments in a human right, Pazina honor tower. Makuta Lady Power misuse of the number of Modena, missing say, hen freedom exercise therapy, but I know appeal to the English say, express to bigadabne, but within legal limits. Akoi lebak sida law and order fazana hanjalakanda. Akoi kudimak lebak si santi wekani si miloin thajanari ni. Adagi kongtang thangabukanda wakal tana munna appreciate to view. Aduga oida padaba misconception. Khangdaba prajasung misguide to ba. Akoi narrative me am santok pirapase. Masi tokpiu. Aduga prajasung sigumba singdagi aware with you.
Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has assured of witnessing massive developmental change in the state if the BJP-led state government is given at least 10 years to rule the state. The minister was speaking at the inaugural of multi-purpose hall constructed under Local Area Development Fund at Pebia Pandit Laikai in Thongju constituency today. Minister Biswajit stated that Local Area Development Fund is for the public and urged public to be aware of how the funds are being utilized in each and every constituencies. He stated that utilization of these funds can be traced through RTI Act and called on the public not to be intimidated by MLAs and ministers in protecting one's due rights. On the other hand, Minister Biswajit blamed the previous government for not taking up enough measures for polo players of the state despite the fact that polo originated from Manipur. He mentioned that 7 polo players of the state were given government jobs in acknowledgement of their contributions. The minister asserted that he has been undertaking developmental works in all the constituencies alike. He said, development works in Thongju constituency started since he was an MLA aided by the Road Transport and Highways Union Minister Nitin Gadkari with an aim to upgrade Imphal East Road passing on road to the level of national highways. He added that the union government sanctioned 31 crore rupees for the constituency upon his request as he was unable to undertake any development works being an opposition MLA then. The minister also inaugurated a newly constructed community hall in Thongju Sairom Leirak today. He also inaugurated a second floor of youth welfare club in the locality on the occasion. Minister Biswajit assured a holding table tennis camps in both the community halls to encourage youths in the field of sports.
Local area development fund Thongju Kendra Thadari Pasajin Lekai went to the Mipum Putiki Pasayari because one of the Mipum Pudimang the Port Pira Karaga Market right for the period of Mipum Pudimaki Pasaneva. I get Junate, Margazunate, Migazunate, Thongju Kendra, Lady Bottle, Miam, the Sigini, and I Tamjage. I get I local area development fund the RTI, W, Adukarisu, W, I did Loimba Pongduxi. Lupa kaya la kare kara the Krishne, Thongju Kendra the Nakaya Karakram development of Rekra, Lana Sinere, Prajamiam Girane, Prajamiam Hungio, Madu the MLA Mantrina, Kiraka Hang with the Gimaram like tea as you might come to the Mississippi. Hungio, and I see about the Kanam the voice of the Tung the Nanga Gadanati, whom Laga is Hagi Raito, development give Lupaka Hadare Gomena, Karakra Tabakarito, Karito the have a say Punama Hamina Bible say, Matota, who's Gimatamda.
Director of the Agriculture Department, P.H. Rajendra, has appealed to farmers for approaching the department whenever they face any problem right from sowing till the harvest stage for their paddy fields. He was speaking in connection with inspection of various activities undertaken by State Agriculture Department at various places of Bishnupur district for 2017-18 under livestock-based integrated farming system as a part of Rainfed Area Development Program under National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture NMSA of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Government of India, P.H. Rajendra intimated that Agriculture Department is implementing 11 central sponsored schemes for enhancing farmers' income in the state and mentioned that Rainfed Area Development Program is one such beneficial schemes. He said incentives provided through integrated farming system under the scheme to farmers owing not less than 10 hectares of paddy lands. However, due to varying land issues in Manipur, the department under the initiative of the ministry decided to accord the scheme to farmers in possession of at least 2 hectares of paddy fields. P.H. Rajendra stated that farmers at Moirang Kunau in Bishnupur district were enabled to earn 60 to 70,000 rupees per month by integrating cultivation and cattle rearing activities. He asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to double farmers' income by 2022 will be fulfilled if farmers avail the benefits of the scheme. He also mentioned that under rain-fit area development program, farmers are provided incentives of 10,000 rupees for making vermicompost peat, 50,000 rupees for value addition, 25,000 rupees for making further storage and 90,000 rupees for digging a pond. The director expressed concerns that despite all the benefits provided by these schemes, most of the farmers remain unaware of the benefits. Additional Chief Secretary of Agriculture Department, Lit Khogin Haukip, and other officials of the department took part in the inspection.
Manipur agriculture department hojik scheme ongoing scheme taramathoi lei taramathoi si any khangdaba hai confuse atpa adagi scheme karino hai khangdaba sig matangda any lairagadi application mari leinaba sub divisional office sing mai leinaba district agriculture officer sing natragana agriculture department direct lakpere kanda aina apama sig karino aduma haibiro adu karigumba APO kai farmers produce organization natragana farmer interested group FIGs natragana farmers club sing tasengwa longmi sing Jari ke punsan biro problem mayam isa thengnari ba lau ubagi lau si hek thabadagin lo khubhaw ge da kon thengnari ba problem mayam pukhi to bagi nga yok bagi natraga na khoi gi se vermi compost plant sem bagi sum makhal gi khoi component mayam si implement to bada khodong thiba mayam si yari ke khoi leitana bagi da khoi di ba ma ke di khona jari.
On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit team leaving Imphal to meet Union Heavy Industry Minister Anand Git to submit a memorandum regarding revival of defunct factories of Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. A team of Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit is meeting Union Heavy Industry Minister Anand Git to submit a memorandum demanding revival of defunct factories of Manipur. The team of 6 members, led by Party President M. Tombi, will first meet National President of Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray, in Mumbai and submit a memorandum for the same. The team will then head towards Delhi for meeting with Union Minister Anand Git. Briefing media at Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit office in Babupara before leaving for the tour today, Party President M. Tombi lamented that a potential state like Manipur is yet to carve a space in the industrial sector of the country. He is short of economical avenues to open up for youths of the state once the Loitang Kuno spinning mill, Okrul cement factory, Ziribamti estate and Kansari sugar mill are brought back to life. He stressed the need to revive the existing factories in the state instead of setting up new factories. M. Tombi mentioned that the chief ministers, relevant MLAs and departments were already intimated about the same. The party president also emphasized the need to set up cold storages in every district of the state to facilitate storage and preservation of various agriculture produce.
State government industry ki makhada leiba khudingmak mafam matam chana sena da mating pangbidana kusamdana chalabadi Manipur da lailaksu hairaba thok phangdaba mioi lak nipan mungse tangai muk phadana aikhoi mioi lising kun kunthadi aikhoi hairiba mangda tariba thok sing sista dipang odan leiba sigumba industries makhal tongan makhal leiba sista aikhoi madugi avenue ma soidana leini haina adumai khale Manipur da thabak phangdadra leiribasing si white collar job ngakta thiba kanaroi.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen has launched the official website of Sangai Photo Festival 2018 at the Cabinet Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister expressed pride to be Manipuri and stated that he is overwhelmed in seeing the potential and talents of youths of the state. Mentioning that enough space was not created for the youth to showcase their talent to the outside world in the past, Chief Minister Bireen asserted that the present government is trying to do the needful. He also mentioned that the government has launched Manipur Startup Policy to facilitate youths of the state. The Sangai Photo Festival, organized by State Tourism Department in association with Tayal Filmers, will be a part of the upcoming Manipur Sangai Festival 2018. It will be held from November 22nd to 26th at different venues across the state. The photo festival will include exhibitions, talks, workshop, masterclass, beginner class, grants and competitions. Director of the festival, Oinam Anand, said the theme of the photo festival will be stories and meanings, and its highlight will be the masterclass. There will be internship opportunities for 4 selected candidates of the masterclass and competitions worth a total prize of 1 lakh rupees and photography learning opportunities during the festival. Renowned photographers like Sanjeev Seth, Prashant Panjiar, etc. will be speaking at workshops, talks and competitions during the event. Interested aspiring photographers and professionals can enroll themselves at www.sangaiphotofest.com to take part in Shanghai Photo Festival 2018.
Government did not have the capacity or doesn't have the ideas for how to give their space to explore or something. But these days, I feel might be a small space, but my government is trying to create, and it is a part of it. It is a sign of it. The people have come up. You want to see this type of international standard, the photo exhibition. This I did not expect, but I was really proud of you, and I was happy to learn that you guys are going to have contacted internationally and are going to celebrate this. That is a great moment, and I want to wish you all the best.
Panthoibi Iratpa and Durga Puja celebrations are in full swing in the state. Sanamhi followers and Hindu devotees of the state sought blessings of Hyang Thang Lairinbi as a part of the celebrations today. Many devotees, including children, visited the shrine of Hyang Thang Lairinbi state since last midnight. Manipur Police, VDF, Home Guard and NCC cadets kept a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incident. Red Cross and State Medical Department also kept an ambulance and gave first aid to those in need. Former Chief Minister Okarmi Bobi, Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Speaker Kim Chan, MP Maina, Works Minister Biswajit, MLA Rameshwar, MLA Subhash Chandra and MLA Indrajit were among those who visited the shrine and sought blessings from the goddess. Fifteen-day workshop cum annual production in relation to Lairinbi domain of Manipur Cultural Ashram was launched today. Speaking on the occasion, titular king of Manipur, Laisemba Sanajawbe, expressed discontentment over commercialization of traditional Manipuri pung or drum performance. He urged all to acknowledge the significance of Manipuri pung with Mitai community. The program, sponsored by the Ministry of Culture's Cultural Functions Grant Scheme, is held at Gopinath Ji Mandap, Wangkai Ayangpali Road. Padma Shri S. Tanil and Principal of Shri Shri Bal Mukunda Dev also attended the event.
Sumna oja amagi malakta guru amagi malakta matam khara pung tamaga adai khitang khutchalakpa matamda hekta ai commercial oiba line da chakhiba akoi gi pungi yamna aruba magi manungi oiba wari mayam machak mayam dudi akoi irong lohogdaba samna habada akoi larik tamagasu certificate tang tanaba digi tang tanaba larik tambatugi magi laisu dudi yahogdaba masi hojiki sum loinamak tawi haibadi na chade mayam thola bani na sigi manungda sigum kharasu yawba akoi thengnajai masi na sum mapungda la agadi akoi ahallaman singna thambiramba akoi phajagraba pungi manungda lairiba magi philosophy mayam chaugraba akoi ahallaman sing oja guru sing thabiraba langai se sum nomo gi mayeng tarakpa natraga akoi langai se mangi bagi adum akibadu phaujabadagi wafam kharasi thamjabani.
Hill Tribal Community HTC More commemorated the 100th anniversary of Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919 in More today. The memorial observance was held at the memorial site of Chengjapao Dongal, popularly known as King of Kuki. Leaders of 12 units under HTC took part in the event. Floral tributes were paid to the late Chengjapao on the occasion. Health Minister L. Jayantkumar has assured to establish the first heart care unit of a district hospital at Churachandpur district this November. He was speaking in the Anglo-Kuki War of 1917 to 1919 commemoration event today. Centenary Commemoration Committee organized the event at Churachandpur Songpi ground. Minister L. Jayantkumar also assured to inaugurate a double-bedded kidney dialysis space and 10-bedded cancer treatment unit along with the heart care unit. On the other hand, the minister urged all the communities of the state to jointly safeguard a unit of the state. He appealed to leave behind community and religious-centric differences. Various Kuki leaders, pastors and members of civil society organizations attended the event.
In the next month, that is November 2018, I am going to launch a very, very important sector. One coronary care unit, heart care unit. I am launch heart care is long Manipur it is the first 7-bedded dialysis unit. 10-bedded cancer unit.
Mar community's biggest clan, Langtrua, observed Farnu Roy Robui 2018 observed. Longtrua Imphal Panam organized the event at Tarun Community Hall. Taking part in the event, advisor of Longtrua Imphal Panam, Stephen R. Mar, stated that Longtrua clan of Mar community organizes the event every year, much like Mitai communities Ningol Chakoba, enhancing the bond of brothers and their married sisters. He said women married to different clans are invited for a feast by their brothers and gifts are presented to them, including their husbands.
Koina ningol khoise nungsi chakle nama kobagi function ama tawjabani ngasi se aduda koina ichanupi sing mayam luhong raba sing se moigi atok tok pasagai do hong manina moi myam do loin kausalaga chakle nama koi mai tai sing na ningol chakoba tawba dubaina koi jo angtang tawjabani.
A 4-day special training program on mushroom spawn production and cultivation was launched at a training hall of ICAR in Lamphal today. ICAR Research Center of NEH Region, Imphal organized a training program sponsored by Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium. Altogether, 25 individuals, including women, are attending the training program. Speaking in the event, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Khaidam, highlighted the economic value of mushroom cultivation and health benefits of eating mushrooms.
Mushroom asi khwaidagi prithivida leiba pambi sing manungda the fastest khwaidagi thuna hobung amba paisa tanba yaba pambi ni phanjai se 8 to 10 days da paisa wathokpa yaba samna charu kg amadagi mushroom kg ama phangbu ngame tha ahum 65 70 to 90 days manungda tha ahum manungda mana piba ngami paisa si retail di lupa chama kun kuthai yoli adu wholesale na lupa chama yom taraga su charu mapulama kg ahum khailumi adu ta charu mapulama di tan ba yari si lupa chama sa lupa chahum som ya khaidi yam laina tan ngam ne.
Handicapped Development Foundation Manipur, State Platform of Disabled People's Organization Manipur and Parents Guardian Council of Persons with Disabilities Manipur have jointly launched the 11th Fortnight Barrier-Free campaign at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, Khaidem Mani, lamented that people still look down on differently abled persons despite various cries against the same. He stressed the need to leave behind discriminatory attitude and bring them at par with others. The campaign, which will conclude on October 31st, is held under the aegis of State Commission for the Persons with Disabilities and Chief Electoral Office, Government of Manipur.
Namaswairaba Miyamada Mayamsina yengbiliba adum utpiliba adum attitude ase siyamna mong ta da yam hanthaba yamna tollo taraba mong mada thambi base masi chumde haiba adum megi barrier mayam si ko namba adum chatharakpa campaign makal amani asumba campaign asina asingba workshop asina aikoi leiriba kunai sida khoi machan bhap taminaba kunai cha punamakna adu mathau tai na masoiraba singbu hantaning bibi mohta moibuki tukachana khanbi bege mohta ekoi amata oina mioiba amagi phongbam tokpa right moigi phongbam tokpa hak chingja moida su chap chan lei haibasi ekoi na utpagi mathau tai adumba mayam se masi taunabigi damakta asimba campaign asi sangsalapani.
Nambol City Block Kainau Gram Panchayat held a public meeting on the theme Khungang Aikoina Semjarasi at Loyalak Palaibung Kainau today. Ward number 3 of the Gram Panchayat was declared winner of the Swachhta Hi Seva Cleanliness Competition held in Bishnupur district. 30,000 rupees cash award was presented to ward members and job card holders of ward number 3, while consolation prizes of 10,000 rupees each were given to ward number 1, 6, 9 and 10 on the occasion. Pradhan of Gram Panchayat NG Sovana called on everyone to take responsibility to bring development in one locality. MLA Oinam El Radhakishore, District TB Officer Dr. S. Brojan, ICDS Supervisor T.H. Premila and SDAO Bishnupur U. Somendro attended the event. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief in Command of United Minority Liberation Army, a part of KNO under SOO, affirms talks are underway with central government for Kuki Territorial Council. CPI Manipur State Council questions why arrested Praja member was not released, along with arrested teachers and students of Manipur University. BJP Manipur Pradesh credits restoration of normalcy in Manipur University to MU community and 6 joint students' bodies. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit assures of witnessing massive development if BJP gets at least 10 years to rule the state. Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra appeals to approach Agriculture Department whenever farmers face any problem right from sowing till harvest of crops. And Panthoibi Ratpan Durga Puja celebrations are in full swing. Devotees seek blessings of Yangthang Lairindi today.